So Kaspa hit 2 cents today. I'm super bullish on Kaspa. And right now, I installed these pieces that I got from Amazon. It's like attaching little brass brackets. These L-shaped brackets here onto this 12 GPU mining rig. And tomorrow I'm going to be getting another one of these mining frames. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, since I attached these today, because I got these early, I got these today, these L-shaped attachments, just installed those. So I'm going to build the second mining GPU mining frame on top of here. I'm going to connect it here. So it'll probably be about this high, something like that. So it'll be like kind of like 2 frames in one, kind of like a rack-like system. So on that one, I'm going to be adding my other one here. I'm going to take this one down. It's on the left. I'm going to take this mining rig down. That's also mining Kaspa. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 GPUs on there. I'm going to take that one down and take these two, this A2000 and this 1660 Super, add it to the new mining frame that I'm going to get. And I'm going to force that board there. This 13 GPU mining board. I'm going to utilize only 12 of them, and I'm going to add it up here, which is going to give me about what, 21 GPUs around there altogether mining Kaspa. And I have this one here, which is the 3060 mining rig. And this one, I think I'm just going to leave it like this for now, but I am going to get a new mining board because this one is only really for 6 GPUs, and I'm going to get another one of those mining boards that can hold, what is it, 13 GPUs. I'm going to swap this one out because I've been slowly upgrading things, you know, so I'm going to sell that one for whatever I can get, as well as some other ones, old ones that I got. So this is going to be like a super duper mining Kaspa mining rig. It's going to be about this high. The whole thing is going to be mining Kaspa, specifically Kaspa. I'm very bullish on Kaspa, and all of these right now are mining Kaspa. And they're getting me about roughly 30 something coins about every 2 hours, maybe between 25 and 30 something, because I got some GPUs off, so it was getting me about 32 or so Kaspa coins every 2 hours. So basically that's what I'm doing with this. And I got, let me turn on the light, got the light off here. So I got 2 of these rigs running, these CPU rigs running. One is mining avian coin and one is mining Raptorium. But I got the other ones off because I don't want to waste energy. Like I had told you before, on the avian one, I'm almost done. You know, I'm trying to get 1 million coins. I'm almost got 1 million. I think about over 700 something thousand coins. Once I get 1 million, I'm not gonna mine avian coin, and I'm just gonna focus on Raptorium. So I'm gonna crank all of these up to get Raptorium. Okay, I'm probably gonna try to get 100,000 coins of Raptorium, and that's probably gonna be it for Raptorium, and then set them up to mine something else, possibly. I don't know. I gotta look, you know, because right now I only have really my mine on like 8 coins or so. And I got these rigs off here, these ASICs. I'm getting a brand new one that's coming in. It's a 400 megahertz, because all these 4 are 300 megahertz, and these mine Ethereum Classic and being converted to Dogecoin, all of these. Okay, and so I'm getting one in supposedly tomorrow, 400 megabytes, whatever, mega hash, 400 mega hash. These are all 300, but they actually do over the 300. They do like 350, you know, just about 350 mega hashes. And I want to see what the 400 mega. The good thing about it is the one that I'm getting is a 400 mega hash one, and it actually consumes less power than these, just a little bit less. I think like supposedly 8 watts less than these, which will save energy. You know, it did cost me more money than these. It cost me another $400 extra. So these I paid about $600, and I got like 2 of them for like 500 though, and I was able to snatch 2 of them for 500 and 2 for 600, and I decided to go with the other one, which cost me another 400, additional 400, which was about $1,000, right? So I was gonna get the Doge Miner one, you know, from Gold Shell, which was only $600 I saw it for, but I decided not to go that route because right now I'm just mining, like I said, Ethereum Classic, but it's being converted to Doge. But when I did the calculation, you know, it would have been better for me to get the 400 megahertz one and pay the $1,000 bucks, because in the long run, it's only gonna be burning like 230 something watts. Okay. Meanwhile, the other one would be burning 400 watts. You know, and the one that I'm getting, the iPolo, because it's the iPolo, would actually be saving me more because it's less power, right? And the calculation was showing that I would be getting more coins than I would the other one, which was only 600, but I'll be saving on power, you know. In the long run, I'm getting more coins, even though I initially have to give up $400 extra, but in the long run it's gonna be way better. That's why I went with that, with the iPolo, the 400 megahertz one, other than the other one, which can dual mine Litecoin and the other one. But I still went with this because of the power. It was less power, and I'm still mining more coins than I would have gotten, Dogecoin, than I would get with the Gold Shell. You know what I mean? So that's pretty much what I'm doing. And this one, I'm gonna have like pretty much a gigantic double decker because the other one's gonna be like on top. Tomorrow you'll see. I'm gonna have another additional 8 fans on the top. You know, I hope I don't trip any breakers, but I'll figure it out. But it's gonna be like a double decker rig. About 21 GPUs. Maybe I'll get a few more GPUs and make it 24 GPU mining rig. Master mining rig. Mining Kaspa. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later on the next one. Peace.